Assalamu alaikum students. Hope everyone is fine. This is English language for grade 5, online lecture number 3. Book name is Oxford Discover. Today we will discuss the following topics of grammar: homophones, quantifiers, and words. Okay, students, take out your textbook, page number 159. Our first topic of today is homophones. Hope you are familiar with the word homophones. Homo means same and phones means sound. The definition of the word homophones is homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word but has a different meaning and or spelling. Now you can see the definition on your textbook as well, and here are the examples: it's, your, their, here, whose. It is only listen, say and number the words exercise. There is no need to write anything in it. Okay, now take out your workbook, page number 148 of the same topic, homophones. Choose the correct homophone. Part A is choose the correct homophone. Okay, here are the words homophones are given. Now you have to circle the correct one. Number 1 is where will the art show be? Okay, so you can see that it is a question mark at the end, so which means that the question word will be the right answer. Next is it's going to be in here. Yes. The whole exercise is quite easy. You can do it by yourself. Okay, part B is imagine you are going to a party or an art show. Write 2 sentences for each pair of homophones. First one is it's and its. Yes. Your and your. There, they are. Here and here. Whose, where and where. You can make an easy sentences of these following words of your own choice. Okay, our next topic of day is quantifiers. Textbook, page number 159. First, read the definition. A quantifier is a word or phrase which is used before a noun to indicate the amount or quantity. Some, many, a lot of, and a few are examples of quantifiers. Quantifiers can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Now you can see on your textbook, use most, many, and several to talk about numbers of things. When you write most means almost all but not all. Many means a large number. Several means more than 2 but not a large number. Here are the examples given. Most of my friends live in an apartment. Many of our teachers catch the bus to school. There are several big buildings in my town. Okay, now you have to complete these sentences about you. Number 1 is most of my classes dash. Many of my friends dash. Several people I know dash. You can write anything to complete the sentence. Okay, now come to the workbook, page number 149 of the same topic, quantifiers. Question A is match the words, the definitions and the sentences. Write the words. Now you can see these words are given: most, many, several. In front of them there are meanings of the words: a large number, almost all but not all, a few, more than 2. The words and their meanings we have already discussed in textbook. You can take the help from the textbook and complete the blanks with the right word. Okay, our next topic is words. Textbook, page number 160. Uh, you are quite familiar with these kind of exercises. We have already done in our previous chapters as well. Part A is listen and say the words. You just have to read the words and sentences once. Come to the exercise B, part B. Circle the one that doesn't belong. Look up any words you don't know in your dictionary. It means that you have to check the meaning if you don't know the meaning of the word. Okay, number 1 is damage, breakup and mend. Yes, damage and breakup are somehow similar in meaning. The word mend is different, right? So you just have to circle the word mend. Number 2 is thief, hero and villain. Thief and villain both are similar. Similar in a sense that we use these words for a bad person, and the word hero has a different meaning because we use hero for a good person. So you just have to circle the word hero. Next is advisor, helper and dentist. It's very clear that advisor means someone who advises. Helper is also someone that who helps someone. So dentist is the different word. So you just have to circle the word dentist. Now rest of the exercise you have to complete it by yourself. Now part C, choose the best word to complete each sentence. You can see the word bank is given. You have to complete the exercise. The theatre had a beautiful dash on the dash. The theatre had a beautiful set on the stage. In the play, the captain dash his passengers from the storm. The captain, what is the role of the captain? He saves his passengers. A dash decides what a play will be about. Who decides? Obviously, the playwright. Some of the play takes place in the ship's dash where people sleep. So where the people sleep in a ship? In its cabins. I left my cabin and went to the ship's deck for some fresh air. Yes, the word is deck. Mom thought the play was funny. She dash by laughing. How do we know that someone is liking or disliking? From his reaction. Yes, so she reacted by laughing. Workbook page number 150 of the same topic. Now label the pictures and definitions. You can see that there are few pictures and the definitions are also given, and here is the word bank given. You just have to write the appropriate word under its picture or definition. The first one is a person who gives advice. We have already discussed it, that the person who gives advices is an advisor. Number 2, just look at the picture where the arrow is indicating its deck. The number 3 is thankful, which means grateful. Fourth picture is the arrow pointing towards the cabin of the ship. Take out of danger means save. Yes, where the arrow is pointing? On its stage. Eighth one is the arrow is pointing towards the set. Number 9th is behave in response to something, which means react. Number 10th picture is about a tempest, which means a storm. 11th is a picture of a playwright, and the last one, it is a comic character of a villain. Next exercise of the same topic, workbook page number 151. Circle the correct answer. A big storm at sea can dash a ship. Can, save, break up, react are unique. Obviously, it can break up a ship. Number 2 is a villain in a play is a hero, a grateful person, a bad person, or a good person. Yes, villain is a bad person. Number 3 is you are grateful when someone helps you, someone scares you, someone makes you angry, someone knows your name. Yes, when someone helps you. Number 4 is a set in a theatre is the script you read from, where the actors perform, the main characters in a play, or the background and furniture for the play. Yes, a set is the background and the furniture for the play. Fifth is a person who gives advice about what to do is an advisor. A tempest is a villain, a deck, a violent storm, or a stage. Yes, we have already read that a tempest is a violent storm. Okay, the last part, part C, complete the sentence. The words are given. You just have to put the right word in the blanks. A dash writes a play. We have already discussed it, that who writes the play? A playwright. Artist make the dash for the play. Yes, the play is performed on a dash. A character that is bad can be a, yes, it's very obvious, it's a villain. One set shows the dash on the outside of the boat. Number 6 is the other set shows the dash on the inside of the boat. Yes, we have already discussed these words. You can write the blanks by yourself. Thank you, students. This was the end of our online lecture number 3. Hope you have understand this lecture. For the completion of syllabus, do subscribe school's YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications in time. Thank you so much. Take care.